There's a plow, which is a truck with a chains on it. It is that bad. Another guy just went by with a quad. It's a single lane, so people have to pull over to get by. So here comes the plow. Down Meadow Street, and you can kind of see that it's over their head. It certainly is beautiful. This is a lot of snow. There literally is one lane. Several times people have to pull over to let somebody go by. And it's now almost 11 o'clock. And as you can see, it's Saturday. Should be bustling people. And luckily everyone's staying home and listening. There is a travel ban on all roads unless you're emergency personnel. It's still very, very windy. And many people are without power, but we're lucky to have it here.